See now question 4 of exercise 11.2. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So first of all we have to draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at angle of 60 degree. Now here we want to draw a pair of tangents which are inclined at a 60 degree, means two tangents are forming 60 degree angle with each other. Now directly we cannot draw that, so here we have to draw it in a different way. First of all let us understand it by rough figure. Here two tangents we want to draw. Suppose here P is an external point. We want to draw two tangents here like this, so that this angle formed at P is 60 degree. These tangents are inclined, so this angle we want to form is of 60 degree. Directly we cannot draw, then how we will draw? So first step you will draw here. Let us draw first of all circle of radius 5 centimeter. This is center of the circle. First take any radius. Here suppose this is O center and this A point is on circle, so OA is radius. I have already explained you that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So if I will draw 90 degree angle here, 90 degree angle here, let us draw here so you will have clear idea. If I will draw 90 degree angle at A, here if this OB is also radius, that means this is also 90 degree. So 90 degree, 90 degree, and this angle we want to draw is of 60 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180 plus 60, so 240. So we know that this is a quadrilateral. You can see OAPB is a quadrilateral. So sum of all four angles is 360. But these three angles we want to draw, which are having total measurement is 240. So from 360, if you subtract 240, that means angle at a center should be 120. So here we will draw these three angles first, then automatically at last this angle will come 60 degree. So now when you start drawing, first step is to draw OA radius. Now as I told you, here I have to draw 90 degree angle. You are knowing how to draw 90 degree angle. I am drawing rough figure. Take an arc. So this is suppose 60 degree. This is another 60 degree. So 120 degree. Now bisect this part of 60 and 120. So as soon as you will bisect this angle will be of 90 degree. Now as I told you, at center we have to draw 120 degree angle. So now again keeping your needle of compass at O, give an arc like this. So this is suppose 60 degree, this is another 60 degree. So this angle is of 120 degree. So this is your point B. Now this we have already drawn 90 degree. This we have drawn 120 degree. Now again at OB I will draw 90 degree angle. So give an arc from here. 60, 60, 120. Again bisect this part. You know how to bisect and how to form 90 degree angle. Again if you bisect this, then here again draw a angle. So this angle is of 90 degree. So now as this is 90, this is 120 and this is 90. So automatically this angle at P will become 60 degree, means our tangents are inclined at 60 degree. Once again, how to draw? First of all, take OA radius. Here, taking 60, 60, 120, bisect that. As soon as you will bisect, that is your 90-degree angle. Draw 120 at center. Now, wherever 120 will intersect, join that. So, that is your another radius. Now, at D point again, draw 60, 60, 120 and bisect that part. So that is another 90 degree. This is 90, this is 90, this is 120. So automatically the last angle will become 60 degree. Now this you will draw by your own.